In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Hubspot CRM. This integration helps you automatically connect the information people submit in your Jotform forms to your Hubspot contacts, so your CRM stays updated without manual copy and paste. As you follow along, keep an eye on the buttons and menus in both Jotform and Hubspot, because that is where the key actions are. To begin, log into your Jotform account. Make sure you are using the correct workspace or account that contains the form you want to connect. Once you are signed in, you should be able to see your dashboard and your forms. Take a moment now to open the area where your forms are listed, since the next step depends on choosing the right form. Next, open the form builder for the form you want to integrate. In other words, you should not just view the form, you want to enter the builder so you can access the form settings. When you open the form builder, you will see the layout and the fields that make up your form, such as name, email, phone, and any custom questions. Choose the exact form you want Hubspot to receive submissions from. Now that you are in the builder, click Settings in the top navigation bar. This is where Jotform organizes configuration options for your form. If you do not see settings immediately, look across the top area of the interface. The goal here is to reach the menu that contains add-ons and connections, because that is where the Hubspot integration lives. After clicking Settings, select Integrations from the left-hand menu. This left side panel usually contains all the tools that can connect your form to external services. Spend a moment here confirming you are in the Integrations section, since the next actions are specifically about adding Hubspot as your integration. From the Integrations list, search for and select Hubspot. This search feature is especially helpful if you have many integrations available. When you find Hubspot, choose it to open the integration prompt. This selection tells Jotform you want to connect your form to your Hubspot CRM instance. Then click Authenticate and log in to your Hubspot account to grant access. During this step, Hubspot may ask you to confirm permissions, so Jotform is allowed to create or update contact information. Make sure you complete the login process carefully and authorize the connection. After authentication is finished, you should return to Jotform's integration screen. Once the connection is established, map your form fields to your Hubspot contact properties. This step is important because it determines how each answer from your form gets stored in Hubspot. For example, your form field that collects a person's name should map to the corresponding contact property in Hubspot. Your email field should map to the email-related contact property. If you have custom fields, map those as well to the matching Hubspot contact properties, so the data lands in the right places. When the mapping looks correct, click Complete Integration. This confirms the setup and finalizes the connection between your Jotform form and your Hubspot CRM. At this point, new form submissions should be able to flow into Hubspot based on the mappings you selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.